Here are 3 techniques to activate the gluteus maximus for people who have lower back pain. Start in the 90-90 position with the left leg forward and the right leg back, and you're going to twist to the left repeatedly. Each time you do so, squeeze the right buttock. This engages the right glute max and actually helps you develop strength. When you get to the last repetition, hold it for about 3 or 4 seconds while squeezing that glute before you come out of the pose. Next, you're going to do mini bridge poses. Separate your feet hip width and lift your hips only a little bit. You see I lower my hips there. Now you're going to put a posterior tuck of the pelvis and bear more weight on your left foot. The right foot is almost coming off the floor, but it's not. You'll stay here for a little bit. You can obviously do both sides, and then after you're done, you'll come down. The next repetition, the hips are going to lift. You go through the same exact actions. This time, you're going to lift that left leg, which activates the right buttock, and you're only going to do little micro lifts. You see, I'm not going that high. That allows the glute max to engage and for the lower back to not get too involved, which is actually what we're going for when we're trying to get glute activation. After activating the glutes through those previous exercises, we're going to begin to load it. And we're going to do this through the first action of the Turkish getup. So hold the weight in your right hand, left leg goes straight with the right leg bent. You're going to press off your right leg to lift the right hip, lift the right side of the torso, and twist a little bit to the left. You'll do this repeatedly. You have to find a weight that's right for you. That's a 35-pound kettlebell, but whatever works for you, if it's 5 pounds or 10 pounds, it's going to be effective. Now you see that I abduct the knee a little bit there. That's going to get more activation into the glute max fibers. And of course, on the last one that you do, you're going to hold it for 3 or 4 or 5 seconds just to create that real neural locking of the right glute max. When you're done, come down, put the weight down carefully. That's going to be your activations for getting the glute max to fire to help anybody who has either hip or especially lower back pain. See you guys later.